Hi there, Kay Sanders here, your intuitive business coach, helping you turn your passion into a successful and thriving business. Now, in today's Daily Insights, I would like to talk to you about the power of collaboration. Let me ask you this. Do you feel that just because you're in business for yourself, you have to do it all on your own? Now, in this video, I would like to really share with you the power that's behind collaborating with other people. I would like to give you also some tips on why it is really so beneficial. Also what collaboration can look like. What can you collaborate on? What that would look like. And also how to really find those people that you can collaborate with. And then how do you really leverage those relationships for more success? So let's start out with why is it so beneficial? First of all, you really can't do it all on your own. Just because you're in business for yourself doesn't mean that you have to be by yourself. And you can also create a much bigger movement. If you have the desire to really impact a whole lot of people with the work that you do, the service that you're offering, the knowledge you want to share with people, then if you think about it, you as one person, you can only reach so many people, right? But if you collaborate, you can have a much bigger reach. You can have so much more exposure. And of course, you have a much bigger impact. And of course, you can get the support. And it's actually a whole lot of fun if you don't have to do it all by yourself, if you do collaborate. So what does it look like? What are some of the things that you can actually collaborate, with other people, with other entrepreneurs? So one of the things is you can create a summit. You can participate in other people's summits. You can do a podcast. These are the two things that I have done that really helped me meet a whole lot of experts, that helped me build a lot of collaborative projects, and relationships. And you can also do, gift giveaways. But these are really amazing strategies that you can use to collaborate with people. You can even do a collaborative book. So if you've ever thought about writing your own book, but you didn't really want to do it all on your own, or you felt very overwhelmed by it, well, guess what? You can collaborate with other experts and write a book together. It's a collaborative project. You can also do workshops together with someone else. You can do events, even a membership platform. That's actually one of the things that I'm working on right now. You can build referral partnerships, joint venture partnerships. You can promote each other. Now, one thing I would like to mention, though, I just don't want you to think that, that it would be competition. Okay, because I can collaborate with someone that is also a business coach, because guess what? I do something that the other person probably doesn't do. So our approach might be different. So I believe there is no competition. There's just simply not, because there's so many people out there, and one single person can't serve everyone. So don't think that if you collaborate with someone that it is competition, because it really is not. You can really, collaborate with someone that's even in the same field, even someone that does exactly what you do, because there's still something that you do differently. Your energy is differently. Your approach is differently. You are a different person than this other person. So people will work with you for who you are, not just for what you do. So some people might want to work with you and not the other person. So don't see it as competition, okay? You want to just go into it as, how can we make a bigger impact together, okay? So how can you really find those people to collaborate with? You can network with people. Social media, one of the platforms that I use, LinkedIn. I've connected with a whole lot of people on LinkedIn, collaborated a lot. A lot of the experts that are on my show, that were part of my summit, that were part of my gift giveaway that I've hosted earlier this year, were the majority of the people came from LinkedIn. People that I have never met before. I connected with them, had a conversation like, hey, would you like to be part of that? Ta-da! I had experts to collaborate with. You can even go, if your market is locally, you can even go to networking events, meet people that way. Even your email list, you can even collaborate with people that are already on your email list. Simply just reach out to people. If you're on social media, reach out to people, have a chat. Don't make it salesy, but just have a conversation. I like to call them meet and greet conversation, because you never know who you might meet. And just see, how can you support one another? I'm telling you, there's so much potential in the people that you're connected with. It's truly amazing. Now, how do you really leverage those connections those collaborative partnerships? Is you build up the relationship. one of the things that I really like to do is not just have one conversation, but really build up that relationship. See, how can you help other people? How can they help you? How can you help each other? And, if you build up the relationship, like really nurture that relationship, it's just like when you're dating, right? You meet someone for the first time, you kind of get a feel for them, and then, it builds over time. But if you nurture that relationship, I mean, there are people that I have met like 2 years ago, in my summit back in 2016, I've still collaborated with people that I had conversation with back in 2016, that I had on my summit back in 2016. I still collaborate with them today. We still support one another. So you really want to build that relationship, because that can turn into so much more. If you follow any of those really, really successful entrepreneurs like Lisa Sasevich, Bill Barron, Christian Michelson, those people, they have turned into joint venture partnerships. They promote each other. So you can do that too. When you meet someone, when you collaborate with someone, build those relationships, really nurture those relationships. See how you can work together to make a bigger impact, to promote each other, to build those joint venture partnerships, to build those collaborative partnerships. It is very, very powerful. Because just because you are in business for yourself, it does not mean that you are completely by yourself. When you collaborate with others, it allows you to make that big impact. Like I mentioned at the beginning, it allows you to reach so many more people, so everyone will benefit from it. The people that you're collaborating with, you will benefit from it, and the people that you will reach with that collaborative project, you will reach those, so it is a win-win situation for everyone involved. So, how cool is that? Now, who could you reach out to today? Just to have a conversation with them. I mean, I'm pretty sure you know a whole lot of people that you've never even had a conversation with, that you maybe have been connected with on social media for years. And maybe you've seen their posts, maybe you thought about, hey, that would be cool, a cool person to talk to, but you haven't done it. So, I would really like to invite you, connect with some people today. See how you can collaborate. All you have to do is just reach out, ask for a call, ask for a collaborative, just a quick meet and greet call, and see how you can collaborate, how you can support one another. Now, with that said, if you would like to have a conversation with me, see how we can maybe collaborate, how we can maybe support each other, simply send me a message. I'm always open to having a conversation with someone, just to see how we can support one another. And, let's get something on the calendar. I would love to have a conversation with you. Now, I really hope this was helpful, and really, I hope I was able to, open up your eyes to the power of collaboration, because like I said, I mean, I would not be where I'm at today if it wouldn't have been for all the collaborative projects that I've done, all the people that I've met, all the relationships that I built. And one thing I really would like to just kind of touch on is, like, I know so many people, they have a conversation with someone, and as soon as they realize that that wouldn't be a good fit for, potential client, they just drop them as a, like a hot potato and never talk to them again. Nowadays, you want to build those relationships because you are in business for yourself. And it can be very lonely. It can be very difficult if you're trying to do all that hustling and trying to do it all on your own. But if you really collaborate with someone else, it is so much more powerful. So I hope I was able to give you some kind of insights in, the power of collaboration. And I really would like to invite you, give it a try. See what you can do. Reach out to some people and see what you can collaborate with. It is truly, truly powerful. So like I said, I hope this was helpful. If it was, feel free to share it with your friends. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I do release these daily insights, on there. I just want to make sure, you don't miss that, because I do release a lot of great content. So, thanks for watching. I'm super grateful that you're here, that you're tuning in every time. And I will see you next time in the next daily insight. I hope you have an amazingly abundant and successful day.